who says spritzes were only made for summer?
Not I.
Yeah, our next guest is sharing some delicious spritz recipes that are perfect for fall and can be made in just minutes.
I love this theme that we're doing, quick and easy today to prep the food and drink. So joining us live this morning is the one and only Oset Babur-Winter, Senior Drinks Editor for Food and Wine. Oset, welcome back to the show.
Good to see you.
We love having you here. This beautiful spread, we're gonna get to all of it. So talk to us about the first drink that you have for us. This is very interesting. When I hear spritz, I think Aperol.
Yes.
But you have a fall twist on the spritz, three of them.
Mm-hmm. Yes, and Aperol is part of the picture for one of these spritzes.
Okay,
but
fine.
this particular spritz is something that I love to make because I love pomegranate as a flavor.
Me too.
Calls for pomegranate juice, which is just like, you know, you use a little bit.
Just a touch.
Yeah, just a touch. So it's basically pomegranate juice to Campari to bubbles. Super straightforward.
All about the bubbles.
And what I really love about this is that it is pomegranate season, so this is like a nice seasonal drink to make. I mean, obviously you can get pomegranate juice year-round, but it's like nice to make things
better
when
to have it when it's seasonal.
Yeah, you know,
anything, yeah.
and
burgundy
also
fall color.
absolutely.
Yeah, true. Look at that.
And the color is perfect for like holidays, you know, it like looks beautiful if you want to like add an extra garnish. And speaking of
A cinnamon sugar rim.
yes.
Do I see?
Delicious.
So we
Love that.
pre-rim this because we wanted
Just gotta test it first, make
just
sure it's
gotta
good.
test it. We wanted to make sure that the rim dried before we made the drink because we
You
don't
guys
want it
think
to
of
like
everything.
to drip. But all you do is like dip the glass in a little bit of simple syrup.
Oh.
Okay.
And then use cinnamon sugar, like the pre-made cinnamon sugar you can buy
Okay.
at the grocery store, or you can make your own if you're feeling fancy.
After you make your cinnamon toast in the morning?
Exactly.
All right.
And you just kind of like dip it in, and it makes like a perfect rim. If you want to rim part of it, you can. If you want to rim the whole thing, you
It's
can.
gorgeous.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, it smells so
Cheers,
good.
guys.
Ooh. The cinnamon sugar rim is so
Ooh.
fancy.
Doesn't that add a nice?
That tops it off like
It's
perfectly.
like a cider donut.
And the
Ooh, I
Prosecco is a little sweeter, so it's perfect for this because the pomegranate juice and the Campari are
Make it a little
more
tart
bitter.
and bitter, yeah.
Exactly. So you would
Interesting.
want to use Prosecco and not like
that's so
Cava
good.
for this.
Oh.
For the extra sweetness.
Well, that's very good.
But I love the rim.
Me too.
I'm so
Delicious.
glad. Not
It's a
everyone
big
loves
hit.
a rim, but I love a rim.
Yeah.
So.
I mean, it is apple season though too, correct?
Correct.
So let's talk apple spritz.
So you've got this
pretty.
wonderful apple cider spritz.
Okay.
I love these glasses. I love serving them in a coupe. You know, they're just feels like the perfect thing for a
Please.
spritz.
I will serve any and everything in a coupe. Water.
So this one actually does call for some Aperol.
Okay.
So you'll have some apple cider, some Aperol, and a little bit of club soda just to like add a little more extra effervescence. You've got some apple slices and star anise for garnish.
Oh yeah.
I love this drink. It's just, you know, you can
so
make your
pretty.
own apple cider if you want to, or you can use store-bought.
Cheers.
This recipe is from Evie Negri-Albert,
Wow.
who
Ooh, this
developed-
is
And
good.
it smells
I taste
so
apple.
good too.
I know. Yeah, she develops lots of cocktail recipes for us, and this is one of hers. So
I was nervous with the star anise because it's a very strong
yes.
garnish, but it tastes delicious. Not at all
It
like
is
black
delicious.
licorice.
And that's your
love
Aperol
it.
fix for the fall.
There you go. That's how you bring Aperol with you from the summer, from your vacation to Italy to your home in the fall.
I will do it all year round.
Lastly, a pumpkin spice spritz. Dan, wherever you are, calm down.
It looks like little pumpkins,
Oh my God,
Right?
it does. It's
Thank
a pumpkin
you.
with the color and the little stem.
right?
I love these glasses. They're from the Williams-Sonoma Fall collection, and they're
I
like
love it.
pumpkin shaped, and I think they're adorable.
Precious.
So this is a pumpkin spice shrub spritz. So I don't know if you guys have had shrubs before.
You mean the
No,
plants in
I've
the
cut
yard?
shrubs.
Don't drink the plant. So the
Please
shrub,
elaborate.
the shrub is increasingly a really popular non-alcoholic drink. It's basically a base of vinegar. So in this case, it's apple cider vinegar,
Okay.
some pureed pumpkin, some brown sugar, and some pumpkin spice. You just kind of simmer it and make this like kind of like a syrup with like a more vinegar base. And you can
Okay.
add that to seltzer and just have it be like a wonderful non-alcoholic drink
A
if you want to.
mocktail.
Nice.
It's a great mocktail, but if you want to add a little bit of booze, you can add some bubbles to it, which is what we've done. There's Prosecco in that.
Okay.
Well, we are going to try.
And
Nice. Fantastic.
yeah, and a
Nice.
splash
Cheers.
of club soda. So
Oh, it smells so good.
I know the shrub on
man.
its own is perfect.
I can see how this would be good without any alcohol in it. I love this. I don't know which one's my favorite.
It's hard to choose.
Oh, they're
I
all
developed the palm spritz, so I'm particular to it.
That's my favorite thing.
I'm so glad you said that.
Oset, thank
Thank
you
you.
once again for joining us. We love having you here.
Cinnamon rim.
There we go. We know Hazel's favorite too. Cheers. And for more recipe ideas, you can find the latest issue of Food and Wine on newsstands. Now you can also visit foodandwine.com.